Hey everyone, I have the August Rusty Peacock kit, and this is the Etsy shop, so I'm going to get into it. It is India this month, and I'm not sure how she's using it. I will go back and watch the videos, get rid of that bag first. But if you saw my other opening for the sari and stuff I have, this is going to be included in some boho journals that I'm making. Check this out. This is tough. Wow. This is gorgeous. Oh wow. Nice sized pieces. Beautiful pieces. I think I have enough now that I can get started. Check it out, I love it. So I didn't see that as a pocket all by itself. That's cool. Maybe put that right in the center of the book and have it on each page. Okay, I'll quit talking about it. This is a piece of sari ribbon, which will make a great closure on a journal. Some cool trim. Now I'm going to get into this before I come to the bag. Some napkins. I love the elephant, and his trunk is up, so he's good luck. These will make good tags. Oh, look at this. Tissue paper. Awesome. This is a painty paper on tissue paper. Somebody got a whole lot more talent than I do. My tissue paper would still be stuck to the gel plate. Some cool papers. Pictures that can be turned into tags and pockets. A lot of them here. Oh, peacocks. I can combine a peacock papers I already have with this. Is she beautiful? Wow. Oh, I love it. Look at these tabs. Wow. This is awesome. Some old paperwork. Or copies of some. Here's a pattern. Now I'll go back and watch her channel. She's also here on YouTube. Nice. This will make a good inside cover. So let's see what's in here. And it is the Rusty Peacock. There you go, I'm going to use this bag in it too. Oh wow, cool. Nice. That make a good tuck spot or a belly band. Wow. Oh wow, I love this. I love yellow. Oh, it is so dainty. Love it. Cool. Look at that. Some pieces of Kanta. A lot of pieces of Kanta. Oh, look at this. Isn't it gorgeous? This will make beautiful on the cover. Now she only makes X amount per month, and I don't know exactly how many. But you go to Etsy, and I will put the link down below, and you can see if she still has any. If you would like to make a boho journal, I mean, you can see just what's here. I have enough to do one. I'm not really sure what she's doing live with it. I will like I said, I'll check it out and see, and maybe I can incorporate part of that in with what I'm making. Her kits are $35. She puts one out a month, and you always get enough to do 2 projects, honestly. I mean, it's one kit, but I've always been able to do at least, at a minimum, 2 projects. Sometimes more, so yeah, she gives you a good amount of stuff for your money. Excuse me. So thank you for watching, and check out her Etsy shop. See you soon. Bye.